learning. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to solve this simple equation in Excel. So, our function is f to x equal to 2x squared plus x minus 10. So, I have created this table where here I put the x values and here I put the formula that calculates the output of the function. And so if we write here 0, the output of this formula is going to be minus 10. So now we want, for example, to find the value of x that will give us here the value, for example, of 25. Now Excel is showing here minus 10. It's supposed that this empty cell contains 0. So when he calculates the output of the function using this formula, he gets minus 10 as this one. Now let's find how to do this. We go to data and we use Excel solver. So what we want this cell. So we want this cell. Let's correct this. We want this cell G7 to be equal to, for example, 22.4. And we want Excel to find the value of x so that the output of the function equal to 22.4. So when you click on solve, click on OK, we get the x value that if we plug into this function formula, we get an output equal to 22.4. I have finally to mention that in this cell we have to put the formula of the function so that this solver function correctly. We can repeat this again, so just for better understanding of how this works. So we want, for example, now the output of the function or the objective to be equal to, for example, 11.9. So first we copy the formula from here and we put it here. We see that it is now equal to minus 10, but don't worry. So let's use the solver again. Go to data, solver, and so what we want this cell, which is our objective, to be equal to 11, I think 11.4. Okay, and so what we are searching the value of x here. So we are asking Excel to find the value of x so that the output of the function fx is equal to 11.4. So let's click on solve, click on OK, and here we are. The value of x that should give us output of the function equal to 11.4 is 2.509359. I hope you find this tutorial helpful and thank you for watching.